Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. Hello everyone. My name is Anatri Destia. I am from Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta, Indonesia. In this section, I will present about our research with my team. The title is Identification of Misconception on Head Topic Using for Tier Multiple Choice in Elementary School Student. The introduction, I will start from one of material in elementary school. There is a head concept. This material is have characteristic as a abstract energy felt but not seen. Elementary students have prior knowledge from daily experience, and prior knowledge is not always correct, so it can cause the misconception condition. And if left unaddressed, it become permanent and hard to correct. Manuel, according to the Suharto, hinders learning of subsequent concepts. So the solution is early detection with a diagnostic test. One kind of diagnostic test is four-tier multiple choice test. About the already study saw that many material, there are water cycle, photosynthesis, force, light, magnet, uh, have detected misconception and only detected misconception. Uh, and uh, there is not yet study about the head and analysis of cause of the misconception. So the research objective is the measure the level of understanding of the head concept among elementary students, and the second is to identify the causes of misconception on the head topic. The methods, this is a qualitative approach to describe the states of misconception among elementary school students regarding the topic of head. The object of this study was to examine the level of student misconception and their source regarding the head concept. This study involved 140 fifth grade elementary school students aged from 11 to 12 years old, consisting of 76 males and 64 females. The sample was obtained through multi-stage purposive sampling involving public and private schools with very good and good accreditation ratings across 5 districts in Surakarta, Central Java, Indonesia, to ensure the representation of various sample characteristics. The study used a four-tile multiple choice instrument consisting of 20 questions. The instrument validity ranks from 0,215 until 0,536, while the reliability was 0,863. The pattern of the four-tier choice instrument used was as follows. The first tier contained the conceptual answer. The second tier contained the ration for choosing the answer. The third tier contained the level of confidence in the answer. And the fourth tier contained the source of the answer. The scoring procedure for a correct answer at each tier was 1. Tier 1, 2, and 4 each had 4 answer choice, while Tier 3 had 2 answer choice. They are confident and not confident. Data analysis techniques. We use a table from Gurel with our modification for justify the understanding category. For example, if the first tier is correct, the second tier is correct, and the third tier is confident, the category is understand the concept. If the first tier is correct, the second tier is incorrect, and the third tier is confident, the category is misconception or false positive. And the first tier is incorrect, the second tier is correct, and the third tier is confident. The category is misconception or false negative. If the correct, if the first and second tier is incorrect, the third tier is confident. The category is misconception. And if the correct, and if the first tier, second tier is correct, and the third tier is unconfident, the category is consecutive guess, lack of confidence. And if the first tier correct, the second tier if incorrect, the third tier is unconfident, the category is lack of concept understanding. So the last, if the first tier is incorrect, the second tier is correct, and the third tier is unconfident, the category is the lack of understanding. For the result, we have for category of understanding student. For the category understanding concept, there are 35%. The category misconception, we have 33,35%. Category guess, 11,2%. And the category lack of concept understanding, we have 43,1%. The conclusion, the first misconceptions were found in the concept of conduction in copper and wood materials, the phenomenon of conduction in woolen jacket and clay roof tiles. And the second, the sort of student misconception regarding the head concept were storybooks or textbooks, stories from parents or siblings, teacher explanation, and students' personal experience. The implication of this study include uh, the need for activities to develop teachers' competencies in teaching science. And then implication, the need to the need for further research to detect misconception in elementary school science textbooks. Implication is the need to organize scientific activities within parent committee forum to correct misunderstandings of science students' daily experience. And the last implication, teachers need to connect the students' experience with scientific concept, implement approaches of learning method that can address student misconception, and conduct scientific demonstration. I think that's all from our research. And matur nuwun, terima kasih, dan thank you very much for your attention. Billahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.